Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon that you can't miss my upcoming videos. So now, in this video, you can know about some precious metals. So what is a metal? A metal is a material that when freshly prepared, polished or fractured shows a shiny appearance. Why are some metals are so precious and valuable? A metal is considered to be precious if it is rare. If new sources of the metal are found or improvements in mining and processing make it more accessible, its value may drop. The demand for the metal also determines how valuable it is. Precious metals in bulk form are known as bullion and they are important as investments. Bullion is made into ingots or coins, and people buy and sell them in bulk. The value of bullion is determined by its purity and how efficiently it can be exchanged for money. What are some precious metals? Precious metals are naturally occurring metals that are rare and valuable. Gold and silver are the best known precious metals. Precious metals have a high shine and are easy to work with. They are used for making jewelry and other objects of art, but their most important uses have been for making of coins. They also have several industrial uses. Today, they are considered to an excellent investment as their value is rising day by day. Ruthenium, osmium, rhodium, iridium, palladium, platinum, silver, and gold are considered to be the 8 most precious metals in the world. But palladium is now the most valuable and most precious metal on earth. With an acute shortage prices to a record, a key component in pollution control device for cars and trucks. The metal price doubled in little more than a year, making it more than expensive than gold. So where do we find precious metals in the periodic table? The periodic table is a table that brings order to information about the chemical elements. It has rows and columns and they each mean something different. When a column goes from top to bottom, it's called a group. The elements in a group have the same number of electrons in their outer orbital. There are more than 100 elements and they are arranged in the periodic table in specific locations because of the way they look and they act. Precious metals form a big block of elements in the middle of the table. Ruthenium and osmium come in the 8th group. Rhodium and iridium are in the 9th group. Palladium and platinum are in the 10th and gold and silver are in the 11th group. Thank you for watching.